If you need a real crowd pleaser, this is it. Bacon wrapped around all beef Little Smokies, served with a homemade barbecue sauce, all smoked to perfection on our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego Trio. Let's kick this off with a homemade barbecue sauce. Just begin with 2 cups of your favorite ketchup. Add 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now just give all that a good stir and set it aside. We're using some high quality all beef Little Smokies today. Just wrap each one with half a slice of bacon. We're using a bacon that's about a medium thickness today. Secure each one with a toothpick and place on a warming rack. And you can do as many of these as you like. With these all set to go, it's time to head outside for the fun part. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego Trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for triple fire grill because it can cook with wood, pellets, or charcoal. Today we'll be using the pellet side. Preheat to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and open up that top left vent all the way. Once fully preheated, get your Little Smokies and your barbecue sauce on the cooker. Then close the lid and let them absorb some beautiful smoke. You can rotate the Little Smokies as needed, and don't forget to stir that sauce occasionally. This cook will take approximately 1 hour or until your bacon is done to your liking. Then you can plate these up, serve them up with your barbecue sauce, and enjoy. Be sure to make enough of these because they're gonna go fast. Thank you very much for watching today's video. We truly appreciate it. And as always, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.